Welcome to a curator's tour of currency history and design, focusing on the Armenian Dram. The evolution of the dram spans centuries, starting with ancient silver tram coins minted between 1199 and 1375. The dram symbol, designed by artists in 1995, reflects the unique pattern of Armenian letters. Its shape was initially created by businessmen in daybooks. The first series of coins in 1994 were lightweight aluminum. The second series, in 2003, introduced heavier base metals like brass, steel, and copper alloys for higher durability. The 500 dram bimetallic coin, introduced in 2003, combines two distinct metals, a brass ring and a copper-nickel center. Its design displays the national coat of arms. The first series of banknotes from 1993 to 1998 featured Armenian architecture. The second series, from 1998 to 2017, honored cultural icons like writers, scientists, and composers. The 2017 commemorative note is a masterpiece. It depicts the Etchmiadzin Cathedral and Mount Ararat in the background, along with a reliquary holding a fragment of Noah's Ark. Banknote substrates evolved from standard security paper in 1993 to advanced hybrid substrates in 2018. This third series honors chess grandmaster Tigran Petrosian. The dram is a living artifact. It preserves an ancient linguistic legacy, tracks economic maturation, and curates the national history of Armenia through its design and materials.